the part. When you need it, you need it. A failed or damaged part can bring your production to a grinding halt, resulting in added time and cost to your bottom line. Würth's digital Kanban solution with 3D industrial printing keeps the line running. Together, we identify the replacement parts, tools, and fixtures required to support your inventory. We then log those design specifications in our cloud-based platform, where they become accessible on demand from anywhere in the world. Picture this. Your part fails. You select a new part from the bin and install it. This triggers a demand in the system for a new part to be printed right there, on site at your location. Instead of waiting for manufacture time, shipping, and delivery, the part specification is sent directly to your on-site printer. Your part is printed and restocked. The production line is running, and you are free to conquer bigger and better things. Printing new inventory provides savings, lowers carbon emissions, and reduces risk across the supply chain. Würth's digital Kanban solution offers a wide range of fibrous, polymer, and metal materials to design for strength, stress, and impact. And we're serious about precision accuracy. Our machines true fit, form, and function parts without the added cost of traditional machining, and built-in laser inspection scans for accuracy. The digital Kanban solution complements your existing system, requiring no automation or added infrastructure to get up and running. Quickly prototype new ideas and design solutions directly on the production floor. Seamlessly deploy standardized parts and processes across the organization. 3D printing adds value at all levels of production, from individual parts to supply chain efficiency. Würth's digital Kanban solution is backed by decades of experience in C-parts and supply chain management. Save time, lower costs, decrease carbon footprint, and proactively manage your inventory with 3D printing technology from Würth.